Here's a 2016 Chevrolet Colorado. Whether you're downtown or off-road, this truck provides torque and efficiency no other midsize pickup can match. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Apple CarPlay, manual tilting steering column, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. New Car Test Drive finds the Chevy Colorado is designed for the owner who wants the utility of a pickup at hand but doesn't regularly tow or haul heavy loads. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.